Hello there. Today's book is 10 Fat Sausages by Michelle Robinson and Tor Freeman. Let's get started. 10 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. One went pop and the other went. Hang on a minute. I do not like this. The fridge went hum but the pan goes hiss. Well, I won't go bang and I won't go pop. And sausage number 2 went hop, hoppy, hop. Over the counter and glug, glug, glug. He was doing quite well till they pulled out the plug. He spluttered and reached for the chain. But sausage number 2 whooshed straight down the drain. 8 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. One went pop and the other went. Hang on a minute. I've had quite enough of sitting around in this hot, oily stuff. Well, I won't go bang and I won't go pop. And sausage number 4 went hop, hoppy, hop. Over the counter and into a bowl. This is more comfortable. Yes, on the whole I am far better off. But this switch is a mystery. On went the switch and sausage 4 was history. 6 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. One went pop and the other went. Hang on a minute. I want to break free. I don't want to end up as somebody's tea. Well, I won't go bang and I won't go pop. And sausage number 6 went hop, hop, hop. Straight up the cookbooks and onto the fridge. Over the wide open freezer top ridge. The whole world awaits. I'm a freewheeling man. Giddy up. Sausage 6 was flung by the fan. 4 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. One went pop and the other went. Hang on a minute, that was my best friend. She didn't deserve such a terrible end. Well, I won't go bang and I won't go pop. And sausage number 8 went hop, hoppy, hop. Down from the counter and over the floor. Past the cat's bed. If I just reach the door. Freedom awaits. I can make it. Oh drat. A little less sausage and a lot more cat. 2 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. Try not to pop. We'll escape. I have a plan. Bang! Yelled the sausage and hop! Said his brother. The hob was switched off. They embraced one another. Now as sausages go. That last plan was quite clever. Might this pair survive? Chipolatas forever. Over the counter they went at a run. Let's hide in this squishy thing. This is fun. They hula-ed in onion rings. Danced in red sauce. 2 silly sausages. 1 main course. And that is the end of the story. If you haven't done so already, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.